Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I want to show you guys a game that I made in Python. It's called Flappy. I'm just going to open it up in the IDE here. So basically this is just a game based on Flappy Bird, where you press the up key to move up and avoid pipes, just like you do in Flappy Bird. This is the code, so I can do a quick rundown of the code with you guys, and then we'll get into the game. So this game runs on Pygame, which I import here. These are variables for color. Here we're just defining a few variables. This is our image, our avatar. We load it in here. It's pasty.png, which is just a little picture of a pastry. Here we're defining our blocks, which are you'll see those pipes in a second. They're more like pipes. This event here carries the user on to start a new game. It's called replay or quit. And then here, make text objects, which is obviously to write text to the screen. Message surface is here. This is our if you die screen. Helicopter, which, well, it's not a helicopter, it's pasty, but anyway, the main method is here, and this logic here just determines, you know, key up, key down for different movements, and just making sure that the game is fair, and defining gravity and stuff like that. Here, what we're doing is filling the screen, writing our blocks to the screen, checking if the game is over. Here again, we are checking the block length, and here is just some debugging, don't need to worry about that. Here are our difficulty levels, so we're checking what the score is and then making the game move faster, and the gap height small, and the gap height of the pipes is dependent on the image height. Anyway, and the game ticks at 60, so let's run this and see how it goes. And as you can see here, I'm pressing the up key. Oh, I died straight away. I pressed the up key to continue. Just press the up key, and yeah, I can go through these little gaps, and just pressing the up key, going through the gaps like that. And as I continue to go through these pipes, my speed is going to increase, and the gap between pipes is going to get smaller, which is going to make the game a little bit harder. It's pretty easy to master, but the difficulty levels, they step up more and more. And again, when you die, there is no score logging at the moment, so you can't exactly see what your high score is, but you can remember it. Ah, see, I died. And yeah, we're back at the beginning. So, died again. Anyway, that is the game, and yeah, I thank you guys for watching. I'll leave the code on my GitHub so you guys can play this game for yourself, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon.